Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to attempt question number 3 of sets class 11th CBSE mathematics. So the question states, state whether each of the following set is finite or infinite. As discussed in the previous video, finite set has definite or countable elements, while infinite set has infinite or uncountable elements. So we have gone through this very thing in the previous video. Now let's try to solve these questions. Part first is the set of lines which are parallel to the x-axis. Take for example, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Here you can see that we can draw infinite number of parallel lines to x-axis. So which means that this set is an infinite set. Number 2, the set of letters in English alphabet. We know that there are only 26 alphabets. So we can say that this set has countable number of elements. So this one is a finite set. Part number 3, the set of numbers which are multiples of 5. Here again we know that there are infinite numbers which are multiples of 5. So this again is an infinite set. Towards the next part, the set of animals living on the earth. So we know that there are extremely large number yet countable number of animals living on earth. So the set formed is a finite set. Part number last, the set of circles passing through the origin 0, 0. We know that origin is the point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis, and through this very point we can draw infinite number of circles. So which means this set is an infinite set. Moving towards next question. The question states, in each of the following, state whether A is equal to B or not. So first of all, we have to understand what equal sets are. Two given sets are said to be equal if they have same and hence equal number of elements. So two things to be noted here are that if the given two sets have same as well as equal number of elements, then the two sets will be equal. Keeping this very thing in mind, let us try to solve question number 4. Part number first is, set A is having elements as A, B, C and D. Set B has elements D, C, B, A. We know in case of sets that order of elements does not matter. So in this very part, we can see that each element of A is also an element of B. So here we can say that set A is equal to set B. Part number second. Set A contains elements 4, 8, 12, 16, while set B contains elements 8, 4, 16, 18. Here one can observe that 12 belongs to set A, while 12 is not an element of set B. So these two sets in part number 2 are not equal. Part number 3. Set A is having elements 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Set B, which is given in set builder form, is x such that x is a positive even integer and x is less than or equal to 10. Here each of these elements in set A are positive, they are even as well, and they are less than or equal to 10. So here we can say that set A is equal to set B. Part number last. Set A is equal to x such that x is a multiple of 10 and set B is having elements 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. So these two sets are not equal because here one can observe that 15 is not an element of set A, as 15 is not a multiple of 10, but 15 is an element of set B. So therefore these two sets, set A and set B, they are not equal. Hope this makes sense. Do subscribe to the channel for more such content and thanks for watching.